Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide apps and files with secure folder on Samsung Galaxy A56. Let's begin. So first we have to create our secure folder. We can easily do that by going into settings, scrolling down a little and finding security and privacy. We click it. Then we scroll all the way down and go to the more secure settings. In here, click secure folder. Now hit continue and you have to give away a bunch of permissions. And now your phone will start creating secure folder. It shouldn't take long, about 10 to 20 seconds. Of course, it depends heavily on your device. But after a moment, it should be created, and it does take a lot of time, probably because I have the budget Samsung, but yeah, after a while it is finally added. Now we have to input our pattern, PIN or password. I'm going to hit done and I'm going to disable fingerprints as I don't need them, and I'm going to simply go with a simple L-shape pattern. Now we can allow or don't allow the lock reset with our Samsung account. If we hit don't allow, then keep in mind that whenever you will forget your lock, your data inside secure folder will be gone, as there would be no way for you to reset your password and go into the folder itself. So now we simply hit next, and now we can see the contents of our secure folder. As you can see here, there are already copies of my files. However, they are all empty. There is nothing here. And if we leave the secure folder and go into my normal files, we should see that we do have some files here. Let's say we have some of the videos, we have some photos. However, they cannot be found in the secure folder. Why? Because secure folder creates a copy of those applications. In order to hide some application within the secure folder, all we have to do is go back to it. So let's locate it right here and let's hit the little plus icon. Now we can add any application on our phone into the secure folder. So for example, I can add a Facebook here. I could also add TikTok and voice recorder, sure. Now we simply hit add, and as you can see, copies of these applications are now inside secure folder. So whenever we have something that we want to hide, I would advise you to just move it to the secure folder instead of keeping it in your normal one. You can easily do that by going, for example, into my files. Though in case of photos and videos, you can easily do the same thing on the gallery. And let's locate a file that we want to move. So I will go with the videos, and let's say I want to move this one. Now we simply hit three dots at the bottom right corner, and at the bottom we hit the option move to secure folder. It will take a while. It obviously depends on the size of the item. However, as you can see, one has already been moved. It has disappeared from here. And if we go into the secure folder once again and my files, we should see that we have this particular video right here. And it is protected by a password as we have created it. However, as you can see, I can leave the application and go back into it, and I don't have to input my password. If you want this function, then all you need to do is go to the three dots here, go inside the settings, and change auto lock secure folder from when screen turns off to each time I leave an application. Now whenever I leave my folder, I will have to input my pattern in order to view the contents of the secure folder itself. And of course, we don't have to keep all our files inside the secure folder. We can also press and hold, for example, to my files, press add home, add once again, and as you can see, a copy of it is now here And don't worry, whenever we try to open this one as well, we will also have to input our pattern in order to open it and use the things that we have inside. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.